Hello, welcome to Locks. If you are looking for a bold, edgy yet elegant hairstyles for 2025, then the Mohawk braids are your go-to. Welcome to the world of stylish confidence where tradition meets trend in the most beautiful way. The Mohawk hairstyle design celebrates strong, fearless women who want to stand out and show their personality through their hair. And the best part, they are incredibly versatile. Whether you are going for a sleek updo, a coily puff, or intricate side braiding, there is a Mohawk style for every queen. This year, we are seeing stunning updates to this classic look. Think feed-in cornrows flowing into high buns, side-shaved illusions with decorative braids, and even Mohawk twists combined with both colors and bead for extra glam. These hairstyles are perfect for weddings, parties, professional settings, or just everyday slay. Not only do Mohawk braids protect your natural hair, but they also last long and require minimal daily maintenance. So, if you are ready to turn heads and embrace your inner diva, these best Mohawk braid hairstyles for ladies are just what you need. Let your hair speak power, style, and beauty because you deserve nothing less. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking hairstyle ideas every week.